Hi there. I am Harold, and time is just absolutely flying by. What I'm going to do is talk about the future of this channel. It took me a while to think about this and find out what could I give to people as a gift, or what could I help people with that would be easy for me and natural for me to share, and would also allow me to continue to push forward in my projects. Before I get into all that, I think it's important to just note the three things that I narrowed down on. So the first thing that this channel is going to be about is becoming a better engineer. And I think engineer is a very ambiguous title. That doesn't mean that if you don't have the title of engineer somewhere, or you don't hold the developer title, or you don't have a job as an engineer, that doesn't mean that I won't be talking about things that are relevant to you. I'm starting to realize that the idea of being an engineer is sometimes being a deep thinker, and a thinker that can really come to conclusions when maybe things aren't very easy to see right away. I will say though that the topics that I will be talking about will be most relevant to you if you're a developer or an engineer, because the things I'll be talking about will be becoming a better engineer at work as well as in your life. And so, and while I'm doing that, I'm also going to be talking about the challenges that I'm going through and how I'm choosing to act on those challenges. So it doesn't come off as I'm a guru telling you what you should do, and just do as I do, or do as I say and not as I do. So I think that's really important to note, is that most of the things that I may talk about are things that I'm going through live. For example, as a senior engineer, what does that mean to be that at work? Does that mean that my performance is at a certain level? And what is performance? What kinds of challenges am I going through? What am I pushing towards? What are my goals? Those are the kinds of things I'm going to be talking about. Another side of it is outside of work as well, because I think that that's also relevant to everyone. As we start pushing into this AI engineering age, or age of just being able to utilize AI for both work and for your own projects, it's important to be able to realize that you can take all of the talents that you have developed over the years as a developer and bring those into this new age and start building profitable applications for yourself. And that's a real journey that I'm going on myself. And yeah, I think that's a part of the reason for documenting this and talking about these things, is because I get to kind of enforce that I do these things and get them done while sharing my experience and everything like that. I have already started making money online from selling my own products, so I'm not a complete noob, but so I do know what I'm talking about. But I think that I have some really cool projects that have not been completed, and I'd like to complete them and also share my experience of what it means to create a whole complete product. What does it mean to actually put the website together? I have other examples already, so I'll end up starting with that. But what does it mean to create a website and a security policy and stuff like that are requirements for uploading your application to the App Store. What are the struggles of marketing? What are some of the struggles I go through from the point of actually starting a brand new application from scratch and, going all the way, to production, what that process is like. And I think that it might be a little bit refreshing to just kind of see what that process is like, from the very, very beginning, like from scratch, even from like maybe sketches of like coming up with the idea, collaborating with, ChatGPT or whatever, thinking about my own past experiences, doing research, and then going on and just like following through, building the product, like really building it. Not just trying to let AI do everything, but intelligently using your skills to be able to build that product and, bring it to life and try to make it a profitable thing. So those are basically the two halves of like what the future of this channel is like becoming a better engineer, but also like, how do you become better at like executing on your own projects, on your own things that you're building in life. And so I think that both are very important and very relevant. I'm sure there are a lot of people in my same situation where maybe you're not as like lucky as me. Like I love the work that I do at my current job, at my role as a senior engineer. I love the work that I'm doing there, so I really want to do the best I can to become better and to, perform really well and do great things to help that company from the perspective of like where I can. And so that is a very real thing to continue to hold onto and improve on. And then what things can I take from that and apply to my personal life and continue to execute on my own projects and make those things better, and maybe come out with a profitable business on the other side, or businesses on the other side. Like, I think that's a very real thing that we're dealing with right now because of the challenges we're facing with, AI is starting to get better and better, obviously. So people are like, oh my God, like, is my engineering role going to stay here? Like, it's a very real thing. I'm more talking about rising above it all and like continuing to see like what you can do to build yourself up to perform extremely well at work. And then also what can you do to perform extremely well with your own product that you want to build from scratch. There will be a lot of projects. I have quite a few, and I have some that I haven't built at all. So I think it'd be cool to show the whole process there. So I did continue to ramble a little bit, but that's kind of the future of this channel. Let me bring it back. So I have like these 3 things written down, literally just like these 3 bullet points. One of them is becoming a better engineer. The other is using your unfair advantage to build a great application. I think this is so important because a lot of people don't know what to build, and I don't think that that millions of people are going to come and find my video on the internet, but hopefully it finds enough people to where it finds the right people, where if you have retail experience, you know what I'm saying, or you are a waiter or something like that, you have experience in the food industry or something, that's your unfair advantage. Like my unfair advantage obviously is like engineering. Like I have a lot of skill in like building things from scratch, which I'll end up sharing, of course. But I think that people forget that they also have unfair advantages because of the years of experience they have with a given thing. It could be being a parent, like the years of experience you have being a parent is extremely valuable. Someone wants that information, or maybe you could use that in some way to build your own professional business or application. And so I think that those things just can't be undervalued. So yes, becoming a better engineer, both at work and at life. And then using your unfair advantage to build great apps. And then the third thing and final thing is what it's like to build a complete product, like a really professional, complete product. I'm talking about making sure that you have like user stories and stuff like that to basically assert that you know the vision of, like, you want to make sure you know the vision of what's the minimum viable product of the thing that I'm building. And when have I reached that point? What is the minimum viable product for this thing? And what is the version 2.0 and what's the version 3.0? I think those are like really important questions to ask, but also really important documents to build for yourself to continue to look at while building your product, so you can make sure you understand how close you are to launch as well. That's kind of the side that like I feel like people aren't talking about. We'll also struggle through marketing a little bit because that is not my strong suit. But you know what? Maybe this becomes sort of a community channel too. You know, if your expertise is marketing or something, comment that so I can keep a little note or something like that. And that way I can also share and recommend, like, you know, your channel or, you know, your business or anything like that. So, but anyway, this was just a video that was just talking about the future of this channel. I've done a lot of things on here, just like it's mainly just been like tutorials, random like thoughts on engineering, sharing my experience with game development a little bit. There will be things like that speckled around, but I'm going to focus them in. I'm going to lock them back into like these 3 different funnels here, going forward. So, there will be more meaningful videos. I will keep this sort of format-ish where I'm just talking to you. Hopefully that is helpful. Sometimes I might chop things up to, make it more digestible and, maybe make things easier to understand. Those will be probably, you know, more of a monthly or every couple weeks kind of deal, but I'm going to be trying to share my journey like very actively. So yeah, anyway, thanks for taking the time to sit here and listen to me ramble and talk. And I hope that this is going to be very informative for you and helpful to you on your journey to see someone else going through, you know, similar things. And Happy New Year. Have a good one, and I'll see you later. Take care.